Oh, okay. How far along are you in the courses?
So I've been like almost 4 months, 4 months.
Oh, okay. So the courses are 6 months, so they do more of the job placement stuff towards the end. And so we do have a high success rate with placements and also have over 250 tech partners. And we're able to prioritize our students for referring to jobs. So that'll come later. Great. Did you have any other questions about that or?
That's it, that's it.
Okay, no problem. And may I ask you about your background and what led you to Sky States?
So yeah, so total I have like 5 years of experience with AML like that. I've been working with racks like that.
Hmm. Great. And what made you want to pursue a certification at Sky States?
Yeah, so I'm doing like certifications like everything.
Oh, okay.
So
Sounds good.
I'm building one project which is my recent I worked with one of that customer portal like .NET. So it is based on the React working with that main problem like page load of the long users like that. I was working with the API database one project.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah,
So it'll help you further those projects?
yeah, it's gonna help me for further projects as well.
Oh, great. Well, I'm glad that that can help you with it and help you advance your career. And how are your courses going so far?
Yeah, it's good. So yeah, as of now, everything is going good.
Oh, that's good. Could you let me know what's going well about it?
So as of now, they are telling like a rack building, like data science with queries, everything. So
Hmm.
they are letting us know like how the building with data SQL queries, pipelines of Python like that. They are letting us know.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Well, that sounds good. Well, so that's beneficial to what you wanted to learn.
Yeah,
Great.
it's gonna.
Great. Well, I'm really glad to hear that. I'm glad you're learning what you wanted to learn. Do you think there's anything that you could use more clarification on or more in-depth explanation?
Do you want me to give explanation something?
Oh, no, no, no. It's just, is there something in the course that you feel like the instructor could go more in depth about?
No, he's doing good. His job is good.
Oh, that's good. So, yeah. So, do you feel like you can ask the instructor questions and you feel pretty comfortable with them?
Yeah, I'm comfortable with them.
Oh, that's great. I'm glad to hear that. And if you were to rate Sky States from 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
Yeah, I can give you eight to
8?
them.
Oh, that's great. Oh, I'm so glad to hear that it's overall positive. We're really trying to make people happy, so that's great. And would you recommend Sky States to a friend or colleague?
Yeah, I will recommend my friends.
Mhm. Great. And why would you recommend Sky States to a friend or colleague?
Yeah, the thing, so they are doing like a training and everything. So nobody is going to do like that. First of all, the training, how the projects, everything is going on live collaborations like that. You guys are doing. That is the reason we can give any reference.
Mhm. Oh, okay. Great. Well, I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad that you would refer it to other people and they can advance their careers as well and add to that personal growth for sure. And well, I'm so glad to hear all of this. Is there anything else that you would like to suggest or any other feedback that you have?
Yeah, that's it. So I will let my friends and colleagues know to join here. I will suggest to them as well.
Oh, yeah. Well, we really appreciate that. Okay, great. Well, if you have any feedback or questions that come up, you can always text or call me at the number that I contacted you from, and then I'll
Mm-hmm.
during business hours, and I'm available for that.
Okay. No worries.
Thank you so much, Venkatesh. So
Mm-hmm.
I do need to meet with my coworkers after the meeting. So feel free to exit the meeting whenever you like, and I hope you have a great day.